Hello there. This video will be a tad bit different than the ones I normally do. I am going to show you what I'm doing when I'm recording a video and when I am preparing the video on my computer and what I do after I uploaded it, because that is actually quite a big job to make a video for you. So I'm just going to show you behind the scenes. So when I have done this and baked it, then I'm going to make a mold with my mold putty, and I did that. So I have that right here. I can use that for my project going on from here. So when I have done this and baked it, then I'm going to make a mold with my mold putty, and I did that. So I have that right here. I can use that for my project going on from here. And then I wait for my things to bake so I can continue with my recording of the things I'm making. And when I'm done recording, I am going to take my camera, my video camera, taking out the memory card and getting over and getting the files over on my video computer, of course. And then I'm going to find them here on the card, taking my videos here and finding the place where I normally store my videos and placing them on the computer. And now I can start working on them. I take my video program and I'm starting to put everything together, and that is definitely not used. So I'm going to take the video clips, putting them up, listening to what I'm saying. So I'm just going to show you behind the scenes. And making sure the video is like I want it to, and then I export it and make it into a video. So now it's time for me to take my video from my computer and put it online. And then I correct the top name, what you see it's called, and all the things I have in the info box is almost pre-made. So I have to do a few things there also. I put up a new miniature picture, the picture you see in the what you call that, where you have all the pictures of what you can see, and I'm putting them on a playlist. And then I'm going to go here and translate this into Danish like that, and then I'm translating all my infos into Danish also, so I have them both in English and in Danish. And then I'm just going up and say that's okay and waiting for it to be uploaded. When I have uploaded it and it's actually ready for going online, I am going in and then I am putting in screens on my video. That's not working on this one, this is an old one. But when I have done that, I'm going in and I am making new subtitles for it. And that is quite a big job, because I am going to watch the video. So I need to watch all my video. I'm going to make a Rilakummer inspired cake. So I take a piece of it and then I'm going to write down in Danish what that means, putting it down as a subtitle, and then I keep going all the way through the video before I make it visible for you guys. And this video is 7 minutes, so this will take around half an hour to make subtitles on. So that's quite a big job. And that's what I'm doing for you to be able to see one of my videos. Okay, I hope you like this behind the scene videos, whatever. I hope you liked it, and happy crafting.